Welcome to another video of TCS Digital Capability Assessment.
Question number 1. Varun takes 3 by 2 times as long as Rajat, and Rajat takes twice as long as Kapil to complete a piece of work. Rajat and Kapil together can complete the same piece of work in 8 days. In how many days Varun can alone complete the same work? Options are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Solution. Let Kapil can complete the work in X days. Rajat can complete the work in 2x. Varun can complete the work 3 by 2 into 2x, that going to be 3x. Now according to the question, work complete in one day will be Rajat plus Kapil is equal to 1 by 8. So on solving we will get 12. So Varun can complete the same work which is going to be 3x, that is 3 into 12 going to be give us 36 days. Question number 2. Ravi purchased 29 microwave ovens in INR 1,59,210. He sold each microwave ovens at INR 7,137. What is the percentage profit on selling all the microwave ovens? Options are 16%, 25%, 30% and 35%. Solution. Selling price of one microwave is given 7,137. So total selling price will be 2,06,973. Cost price of microwave is given 1,59,210. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So we will get 47,763. Now we will use profit percentage formula for profit into 100 divided by cost price. On solving this equation, we will get 30%. That is our answer. Number 3. Maya spent 30% of her income on education, 20% on grocery, and 12.5% on other things. The remaining amount with her is INR 24,000. What her income in rupees? 58,000, 64,000, 66,000, and 17,000. This is one of the simplest question but time consuming. So we will use shorter method to solve this question. Solution. In percentage question, always assume 100. This is very useful. Let income of Maya is 100. So if the income is 100, her expenditure is total 62.5. So her income will be 37.5 after subtracting from hundreds. So X giving us 24,000 as per question. As per our assumption, 100 is giving us 37.5. So on cross multiplication, we will get 64,000. Question number 4. The value of 27 raised to 0.6 multiplied by 9 raised to 0.2 multiplied by 3 raised to 2.8 multiplied by 4 raised to 0.5 is 81, 243, 486 and 972. This question we need to use simple base, power and ratio method, where power is getting multiplied. We can rewrite 27 as 3 raised to 3, 9 as 3 raised to 2 and 4 as 2 raised to 1. And when base are the same, multiplication power going to be added. So at the end, on solving, we will get 486. This is fifth and the last question. P by Q is equal to 5 by 9. Then find the ratio of 6P minus 2Q to 6P plus 2Q is. Options are 1 ratio 4, 2 ratio 3, 3 ratio 4 and 4 ratio 5. Solution. As given, P by Q is equal to 5 by 9. So simply we will multiply 6 by 2 on both the sides. We will get 30 by 18. Then we will apply componendo and dividendo rule, which is numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator, which is going to give us 48 by 12. Then applying invertendo, that is reversing the given ratios, which give us 1 by 4. That is our answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.